Hey guys, today is my birthday, and for my birthday I decided there was nothing I'd rather do than string ting inspired phone charms. I purchased all of the supplies for this project from Michael's craft store, every single last piece. All of the charms were on sale for $2.99 each, which was an amazing deal, so I got a lot of things. Don't forget to enter my Wildflower Cases giveaway if you haven't yet. To enter, subscribe to my channel, give this video a thumbs up, and leave a comment down below with a video suggestion or something you want to see in the future. More details will be at the end of the video. We are gonna make at least 10 phone charms. I wanted to make sure to give you guys a variety for my first DIY video, and I hope you guys love them. I'm so excited. I don't know really what's gonna happen yet, what I'm gonna do yet, but you and me, we're gonna find out together. So should be cute. So as you guys know, Wildflower, who lives in my mind rent-free, did a collaboration that dropped with String Ting a few days ago. Within a few hours, I believe they were all sold out. So I didn't have the opportunity to buy any of them. That's why we're making our own. And I thought I could showcase my creative side for you guys. So I'm really excited to show you guys what I'm capable of. So I've got something to hold the beads, a pair of scissors, the cord that we are gonna put all the beads on, colorful alphabets, a little bit bigger than the beads so that they make more of an impact, and all of our beads. I think I'm gonna start with the butterfly sky. These are the primary beads that I wanna use for it. I'm just gonna cut the beads off of the strings. Ooh, ooh, they're going everywhere. First, let's do a knot to keep the beads in place, to loop it around the little mute button on our phone. Let's try it out. Alright, so that'll do it. The beads will be hanging down here and they will stop right where this knot is. And then we're gonna secure the end as well, of course, so the beads don't fall off. But we have to do that after the beads are on. Let's just start grabbing beads and see which ones look good together. This is how we're looking so far, guys. It looks good.
You give me feels when you do. No one can do it like you. Girl, you're so hot like summer. You're everything I ever wanted. You give me feels when you do. No one can do it like you.
As some of you guys know, I have a dog. He is a Yorkie Terrier and his name is Jiggy. So to represent his name, I put the letter J. For our last name, I put the letter A. You guys feel free to do this as well for somebody or something that is a representation of your life, because we're not always going to have enough letters to spell our name or spell certain things. Next, we're gonna do peace and love. I want to use these beads. I think that would look really good, some of these. Let's repeat the exact same steps. Apply the beads, secure the end.
I remember all them times when you told me lies. And all I did was cry. You acting all hard through the breakup. The only back around here is my makeup. You put on too much, I call your cake up. Your foundation's weak, oh yeah, I need a shake up. But you've been fired, boo, so get away from me, cause it's over, so move over. I told you, no do-overs. Boy, bye, boy, bye, boy, bye, goodbye. Keep it pushing, keep it rolling. I don't want ya, keep it moving.
These are the primary bead color schemes that I want to go for. These little glass charms, so cute. This one's gonna be crazy. Exact same steps. Remove the beads from the packaging string, tie the knot, apply the beads, secure the end. For the slumber party case, I also want to use these little star charms that I found. That'll be really cute together. And I want to use the silver ones because it'll match really cute with the little wildflower emblem on the bottom. Next, we have the Latte Love Case. I found these beautiful latte mocha inspired beads.
Cause now I'm living in the city and you're back home, and all I'm doing is I'm singing, yes I'm singing. Oh, I don't feel how I used to anymore. I don't hear from you like I used to anymore. Let's run it back and kick it like we used to. Or call me back and tell me something new. Now we're off of this beat and I'm spitting a cappella. Hey. Back in the day in school with the fools when I was younger, we never skipped class, we were living life waiting on the summer. Yeah, we live so fast it's hard to see the seasons change. There goes another. What our life would be like if we were dreaming and together we were wishing. Cause now I'm living in the city and you're back home, and all I'm doing is I'm singing, yes I'm singing. Oh, I don't feel how I used to anymore. I don't hear from you like.
Next up, we have the jewel case and these crazy jewel charms. This is so crazy. I love these.
I can feel it, like the rays from the sun. You bring the sunshine. I can feel it, you are the one, oh baby, be mine. I can feel it, like the rays from the sun. You bring the sunshine. I can feel it, you are the one, oh baby, be mine. I can feel it, like the rays from the sun. You bring the sunshine. I can feel it, you are the one, oh baby, be mine. I can feel it, I can feel it, I can feel it, I can feel it.
I think these starfish are perfect for you if you are a Pisces, and maybe if you're another one of the water signs too.
Even get the steak, cause I got it like that. Always have my own bag, never needed no man.
There weren't enough letters to spell my name again, so I decided to spell my mom's name, which is Pam.
I felt, but it wasn't fake, and I couldn't tell at the time, but I was my own soulmate. It's like I forgot I was fine, let you treat me any kind of way. Now I'm free, you gotta celebrate. You couldn't see everything and stay. That I wasn't afraid to say, yeah. If I gotta choose me, I won't be afraid to. If I gotta choose me, I gotta do what I gotta do. When I love you, I lose me. Now I can't be attached to you no more. I like me better when I wasn't yours. I'm going back, I'm going back, I'm going back, I'm going back, I'm going back to who I was before. I like me better, I like me better, I like me better, yeah, yeah. I like me better, I like me better when I wasn't yours. I like me better, I like me better, yeah.
For this one, I didn't open a new pack of beads. That's why I didn't show you guys. I'm gonna just finish off the little tassel bit at the end. As you can see, this one says, "Very good, mamacita." Really random, but I didn't have any words to spell anything else.
Girl, I can't lie, I can't deny, I need your love. Oh, go and tell the world what I'm talking about. Make me wanna scream, make me wanna shout. Girl, I can't lie, I can't deny, I need your love. Hey, I know we planned to keep things discreet. Play it cool, baby, just you and me. But I can't keep this locked down in me. I need your love. Cause it really don't matter what they see or hear. Cause I'm just
So cute. What a fun video. I'm so happy with how this turned out. So I'm gonna be honest with you guys, this took hours. This took forever. You don't even know the half of it. So good. We did it, you guys. We did it, Joe. Right now, I'm gonna tell you guys about the details of my Wildflower Cases giveaway. I'm giving away 10 Wildflower Cases gift cards to their website. I'm just letting you guys know, for those of you who have never seen this face before or never seen any of my videos before, that's the tea, that is what's up. So once I hit 2,500 subscribers here on my channel, which hopefully it will be soon-ish, I will be giving away 10 Wildflower gift cards. So I need you to subscribe to my channel, leave a comment down below letting me know what other types of videos you want to see from me moving forward in the future. If you can, please make a recommendation that is not Wildflower. I know you guys like Wildflower. I know you do. I do too, but I need other recommendations. That one is just way too obvious, let's be frank. So anyway, do that. Give this video a thumbs up. And like I said before, for anybody who has already entered, don't worry, all of your entries have been counted. You guys are all good to go. But for anyone else who is just now entering, thank you so much for entering the giveaway, and your entry will be counted as well. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, and I will see you in the next one. Bye.